Outbreaks of rain across the country today, heaviest in the west with a weather warning from the Met Office. But how long will it last? I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday.
Europe had the warmest year that we have ever recorded. And it's a big report. It's a treasure trove of information that tells us all about what's happening across Europe and what happened last year and why it matters. And this is what it shows. It basically shows that nearly all of Europe had temperatures way above average, record-breaking. And now Europe is the fastest warming continent of all continents on Earth. It also showed us this chart. It was a big west-east divide. The west was very, very wet. We had heavy rain and flooding. The east was very, very dry. So we had the heavy rainfall. We've got pictures of the extreme rainfall we had in Valencia, wild but still mild in the south and east. So let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. Like I said, low pressure firmly in charge, and it's low pressure that's more likely to bring cloudy conditions, windy conditions, wetter conditions. Let's look at our temperatures first of all. The north of the UK, they sit around about average for the rest of the week. Percentage chance of rainfall, you can see, yes, there's weather symbols every day for rainfall, but the percentage chance is hit and miss today in the form of showers, hit and miss as we head through the next few days. But if you're looking for something drier, Sunday looks like your banker. Now, fortunes further south of England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Temperatures are still a little above average, but nowhere near as mild as it was last week. Percentage chance of rainfall. Well, today we have our rain clearing in the east and the heavy rain in the west. It doesn't look too bad for tomorrow. Thursday, we slowly see a band of rain arriving, hit and miss into the weekend, and that stays like that into next week too. Well, you probably won't want twice as much of this, and you probably won't want me to shout about it. I can maybe whisper that it turns cloudier, wetter and windier. That process started yesterday. It continues for the week, but not all of us seeing the rain. This is how it looks first thing. Rain across eastern areas has moved in overnight, so a lot of spray on the roads for central and eastern areas. But then our sites... Good morning to you. The weather is wetter for many of us today. We have a band of rain either side of the country, one across the east. There's a lot of spray along the roads and it's set to clear eastwards through the day, but then another one moves into the west and this one turns heavy. So through the day, an improving story through eastern areas, it turns drier. Northern England sees some isolated showers. Scotland and Northern Ireland, some sunny spells. Driest and warmest in the southeast with the chance for a few showers, highs of 18, but cool, cloudy, wet and windy with embedded thunderstorms in the south and west.